Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to understand about Indian crypto taxation system. Now we already know that from 1st April this year, there was a 30% flat taxes that were implied on any profit that we make on VDA, which is virtual digital assets. Now going forward, it's very important for us to understand what are the implications and consequences about the 1% TDS that is going to be implied from next month, 1st July 2022. So we will have a clear understanding about how it's going to work out and how it will impact us as traders and investors. So without wasting our further time, let's start off with the video. Alright guys, so before we start this video, I will just like to put this as disclaimer that whatever we are going to discuss is all about Indian exchanges. Foreign exchanges या dApps इस बारे में हमें कोई information नहीं है government की तरफ से, but if we have something, we'll definitely keep you posted. Now something that you should know is on Indian exchanges, futures trading is not very popular. If you talk about WazirX पे future trading का option available नहीं है. If you talk about CoinDCX, you can future trade BTC and 8 other altcoins and that's it. So most of our discussion is going to be heavily focused on spot trading and Indian exchanges. So first thing first, like how it's gonna work out, how will 1% be deducted going forward? So we'll discuss this scenario right away. Now the first thing would be that you will be buying or selling or trading some cryptocurrencies. So you will definitely need some money on your exchanges, maybe WazirX or CoinDCX. You will need some money there to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, right? So what you will do is you will have a bank account, say आपके बैंक अकाउंट में 1 लाख रुपए हैं. So from the bank account you will transfer your money on the exchanges itself. Now this is the first question that arises, that when I deposit my money from the bank account into the exchange, will the TDS be deducted? The answer is no. No TDS will be deducted in this case. Now you have your INR, you have your fiat currency on the exchange. You have 1 lakh rupees in your exchange. Now there can be two scenarios. You can buy Bitcoin directly from there, or what you can do is you will be buying some USDT first, and then using those USDT you will be buying some Bitcoin. So we will understand both these scenarios. So the first scenario is buying cryptocurrencies using your fiat, using your INR. The second scenario is buying cryptocurrencies using some other cryptocurrencies. So let's take the first scenario first. So suppose you have 1 lakh rupees in any Indian exchange, WazirX, CoinDCX, doesn't matter. Now using those 1 lakh rupees you want to buy some Bitcoins. Now it is obvious कि आप उतना ही Bitcoin buy कर सकते हो जितना आपके exchange के ऊपर है. You have 1 lakh rupees on your exchange, you will be able to buy 1 lakh worth of Bitcoins. Now at the time of buying, will there be any TDS deducted in this case when you are buying some cryptocurrencies using your INR? The simple answer is no. No TDS will be deducted in this case. So the first scenario you have understood that when you are buying cryptocurrencies using your fiat, using your INR, no TDS will be deducted. Now comes the case when you are selling your Bitcoin for some profit or some loss, doesn't matter, but you're selling it. Now suppose from 1 lakh your value has appreciated and it has turned to 1,20,000 rupees. So first thing, us 20,000 rupees pe you will have to pay 30% flat tax. This is something that we know. But what about TDS? Yes, you will need to pay 1% TDS on the selling amount. And this is the new rule, that if you are trading and you are selling your cryptocurrencies and you're getting some INR in exchange, you will have to pay 1% TDS. So this is the first scenario. I hope everyone is clear. When you're buying cryptocurrencies using your INR, no TDS is deducted. When you're selling your cryptocurrencies and you're getting back your INR, you will have to pay 1% TDS. Now comes the second scenario when you want to buy some cryptocurrencies using your cryptocurrencies. Now we know there are different pairs. You can buy, say, Doge using BTC. You can buy Ethereum using BTC. So there are different pairs, right? And you can even buy Bitcoins using USDT, which is a stable coin, and USDT is also a cryptocurrencies. So basically this is the thing. Suppose you want to buy some BTC, but before that what you did was, आपके पास 1 लाख रुपए थे अकाउंट में, आपने उस 1 लाख रुपए से you bought some USDT. So you bought 1 lakh worth of USDT and you have that in your trading account. Now using those 1 lakh worth of USDT, you bought some BTC. So this is the thing. Now you are buying BTC using USDT, which is a cryptocurrency, right? So the scenario has turned. Now when you are making a purchase, you will have to pay 1% TDS. And now when you will be selling it, you will again have to pay 1% TDS. So this will be deduction of 1% TDS twice. So just remember this thing. When you are making a crypto transaction, when you have both the pairs in crypto, you will have to pay 2 times TDS, which is one at the time of buying, one at the time of selling. So very simple example, another example we'll take. So suppose you want to buy some Ethereum using your Bitcoins. Now you have 1 lakh worth of Bitcoins with you. You want to buy some Ethereum. तो जब आप Ethereum buy करोगे, you will be potentially, what you will be doing is you will be selling your Bitcoin and you will be getting some Ethereum in exchange. This is what trading is, right? आप कुछ देते हो, उसके बदले में आपको कुछ मिलता है. Similarly, when you're trading in BTC pair, you will be giving some BTC and you will be getting back some Ethereum. So 1% TDS will be deducted at that point in time. Now suppose after that you have Ethereum, you have made some good profits. अब आप Ethereum को sell करना चाहते हो. When you sell the Ethereum, you will sell Ethereum, you will get your BTC back, and now you will again have to pay 1% TDS. So this is a very very important thing which you should understand. When you're trading crypto pair, you will have to pay 1% TDS at the time of buying and at the time of selling. And जो भी profit होगा उस पे 30% flat tax तो हमें देना ही है. So I hope both the scenarios are clear. Another question that comes up. Who is going to charge this 1% TDS? Obviously, government has implied it, but the exchanges will be the one which will be taking 1% TDS from us, the investors, the traders on the exchange. So the 1% TDS will be deducted by the exchange and the money will be transferred to the government. Now, why is government implying this 1% TDS? Is for the very simple reason they want to keep track of every single activity, every single investing and trading activity that we do on cryptocurrency space. Because according to the government, जो क्रिप्टो ट्रेडर्स हैं, इन्वेस्टर्स हैं, दे आर मेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ मनी, बट दिस इज अस, वी नो द रियलिटी, राइट? सो दिस इज द हार्श रियलिटी कि हमें 1% TDS देना पड़ेगा. एंड आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर वाई गवर्नमेंट इज इम्प्लाइंग 1% इंस्टेड ऑफ इट कुड हैव बीन सम 0.01% इफ यू जस्ट वांट टू कीप अ ट्रैक ऑफ इट. 1% TDS से डेफिनेटली ट्रेडिंग वॉल्यूम पे, इंडियन एक्सचेंजेस पे खासकर बहुत ज़्यादा इंपैक्ट पड़ने वाला है. You must be thinking ki what is that 1% making so much difference? You will be thinking like why Ikshant is crying over this 1%. So I'll just show you a very quick example, a very quick calculation which will clear a lot of things in your mind. So I'll present my screen now. So here on the screen I've just made a quick calculation. So you can see we have portfolio size. So just suppose you have started with 1 lakh rupees. The TDS deducted is obviously 1%. So 1% of 1 lakh rupees will be 1000 rupees. Now next time when you trade, and just suppose you haven't made any profits, neither you made some loss. So you are out of the trade at break even. So next time you will have 99,000 rupees. 1% is gone. It's in TDS. It's with the government. Now you will start to trade with 99,000 rupees. 1% will be deducted again, and now it will be 990 rupees which will be deducted from your account in terms of TDS. And cumulative TDS which is deducted is 1000 rupees plus 990 rupees. So it's an overall of 1.99% after two trades, after two transactions. And we are just taking one scenario when you are not making any profits, not making any losses. You are at break even on each trade. Now just look at it, what is happening. After the 71st trade, 50% of your capital is locked. Now just imagine how this 1% is playing a big role. Obviously, if you are a trader, if you are an active trader, you will be trading at least one coin in a day. So just imagine after 2.5 months, 50% of your capital will be locked and it will be with government. Obviously, this is a very good thing that you will be able to redeem it when you file your ITRs. If you are already filing your ITRs, you are doing your returns and everything, you can apply and you can get the TDS back. Everything will be refundable. You will get it back. No worries on that. But it's the thing that you have your trading capital और उसमें से 50% capital आपका 2-2.5 महीने के अंदर खत्म हो जाएगा अगर आप रोज ट्रेड कर रहे हो. So this is the sad part, and this is why I feel it is going to impact the trading volumes on the Indian exchanges so much. So this is the reason why this 1% is a big deal. Alright guys, so I know that many of you are scared after looking at the calculations and you feel that trading cannot be profitable in cryptocurrencies, but this is not true. With every problem there is a solution, and crypto trading is like oxygen for all of us, so we cannot quit it, right? So there is a simple thing. Suppose you have a trader and he has his hit rate, his accuracy as 50%. If he takes 10 trades, 5 are profitable, 5 are in loss. Now suppose he's trading with 100 rupees on every single trade, just as an example. On the 5 trades where he loses money, he is losing 5 rupees on each trade, which means he has 5% as his stop loss. So the total money lost in these 5 trades will be 25 rupees. Now I need to make sure कि जब मैं अपने profitable trades कर रहा हूँ, which is my remaining 5 trades, इसमें मैं अपने 25 रुपीज़ तो कवर कर ही लूँ जो मेरे लॉस हुए हैं, बट एट द सेम टाइम 30% फ्लैट टैक्स और 1% TDS को भी मैं इनकॉर्पोरेट करूँ ताकि मैं ओवरऑल पॉजिटिव निकलूँ या ओवरऑल ब्रेक इवन पे निकलूँ. सो आफ्टर माई कैलकुलेशंस इट कम्स आउट टू बी कि आफ्टर 8% of profits, like if I'm buying a position at 100 rupees, I will exit a trade only and only after I make at least 108 rupees from this trade. So this is my simple mark which I have calculated for myself, that I will at least need 8% of profits from my trades to be profitable. And if you want, I can share a simple calculation on the screen right now. So see, you have 5 profitable trades. Now, if you're making 8% profit on each trade, that means you are making 8 rupees on 100 rupees. Now, 8 times 5 becomes 40. Out of this, 30% will go on your 30% flat tax, 1% TDS, and remaining 25 rupees will be squared off by 25 rupees that you lost in the remaining 5 trades. So this is the simple calculation that you should at least take 8% out of all the trades that you take to be at break even. So this is one of the things that I calculated. There will be better strategies which we will be sharing with you, but obviously making 8% in crypto is not a big thing. If you check out the Discord server, every day there are 40%, 100%, 200% profit screenshots by the people. So that's not a big thing, but I hope you understood everything about the TDS, 30% flat tax, and how you can save yourself and how big 1% TDS can be for your portfolios. So I hope you loved the content and you loved every single information that we provided to you. So in this case, you can just give us a thumbs up, and obviously you can subscribe to our channel for more of such videos. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.